Would you spend $71,000 on a stove? Sounds crazy until you actually see what it is. This video will show you exactly what you get for that kind of money, so you can decide if it's genius or just over the top. Every La Cornue is built to order down to the last burner. You design the cooktop around how you actually cook. Want a wok burner next to a French top, grill next to teppanyaki? You can do that. And inside, La Cornue gives you something no other range does. One vaulted gas oven, or one electric, or one of each, whatever you want. Gas burner runs naturally more humid, so roasts stay juicy and vegetables don't dry out. Electric oven gives you precise, consistent heat for baking. Most brands make you choose one or the other. Here you can get both. Because at this level, you shouldn't have to compromise. And yes, we install and service these down to the last brass knob. La Cornue doesn't look anything like the stainless boxes you see everywhere else. It's heavier built from thicker finished steel, the kind used in French bridges, and the finish feels more like a luxury car than a kitchen appliance. You can choose from 50 colors and 6 trims or match your own paint chip. That means no chateaus are exactly alike. It's as much a design piece as it is a cooking tool. In fact, we delivered these to homes where it's the first thing installed. So what do you get for $71,000? You get a cooking experience that's fully customized, built like a pro tool, finished like a piece of commissioned furniture, and rare enough to be passed down like an heirloom. Is it expensive? Definitely. But if you cook off and care about design, want something no one else has, this may make more sense than the better SUV in your driveway. Again, it's up to you. Want to see what $71,000 looks like up close? Come visit one in person at one of our 6 stores. Really need to touch it to understand it better than I've explained. And if you want to learn more about the best luxury range brands, click this video, and thanks for watching.